Alright, so I didn't record it, but I ended up taking the front bumper off. It's not even that hard. Literally, since I don't have, the front plastic clips anymore on the front bumper, only thing that holds it up is that, and then 2 screws for the fender liner. But I'm about to take off this too. And so just these, don't mind that, I'm leaking coolant. It's the hose, I got it on the way. But actually got pretty worried, damn. But anyways, yeah, I forgot what these are. It's like E10, I believe, the external Torx. I have a whole video on how to take the old bumper off. I can link it in the description below. But literally, this is way easier than taking an old bumper off. Just those 2 screws, and then to take the actual bumper off, not the cover, just those E10s or E12s. I'll get back to you with that and the size. And I'm gonna try to scoot the halos over a little bit because they kind of get hidden by the little shroud in there. So I'm gonna scoot them over on both sides. But got those from Angel Eye Guy. I think I said that in the last clip, but very impressed with them. They're beautiful, they're bright, they show up in daytime really well. But hey, yeah, I'm about to take this fan off right here because I can get this stupid little cover off and finally put that bottom grill piece on that I have. But yeah, take all this off. I'm gonna get those E12s or E10s or whatever and show you guys, and then show you guys how to take that fan off. All right, so I don't know if you can see, it doesn't show up that well on camera to be honest, but this side is more hidden than that side. Just move that one over to the left a little more, looks a lot better. So like, see, you can see most of it. If I go over here, that left side actually gets covered. So yeah, I'm just gonna move them over a little bit. I did that one already, now I'm about to do this one. And then still didn't get those things out. I'm doing this first, it's easy, just pop those lenses off. Bumper off as well. And I believe it is the E12 because that one's an E10. This is E14 and 16 clearly. For some reason it doesn't say it on the tool, I don't know why. It's weird as fuck. But to take this off, what the hell do I need? I think that's already off. This one tab right here. On those. Right there. One on that side. 2 on that side. 2 on each side, my bad. Like Torx. I'm gonna go grab a Torx and see what size they are. And I'll be back. So I got the shroud off, 2 screws. Not gonna be able to put mine back on because it broke. Those screws were really hard to get out. They were like stuck in there. They're plastic, by the way, too. So they literally just shattered. But they're like all over now, floor and shit. But yeah, I'm not gonna put this back on anyways. Didn't really want it on. But now to take the fan part off, I'm gonna have to take these out. Look like a 12, 2, 3, 4. Take those out and it should come straight out. And as you can see, mine's like seized. During the summer, I didn't have the fan on and my expansion tank blew up and all that, and yeah, just a big mess. But I'm gonna go get 12s and see if it comes off with those. Actually, 13. Come straight off. And then, I believe that's it. Yeah. Just give it a little wiggle. And then, once you get it off, be careful. And unplug. Where's the white wire? Goes down there. I think you'll plug it up here though, to be honest. Yeah, it's that plug right there. Just unplug it. Should be sitting up here, I think, but like I said, I took my fan shroud out and everything. Haven't put it back in, didn't really care to. But yeah, I'll unplug that and it will all be done. So that's what it looks like when it's off. Honestly, I think this is, yeah, that shit feels nasty. It's probably the reason why my Oh, it definitely is. That's why it's green. There's where my AC leak is. It's in the condenser. Great. Well, there's gonna be my project for next after I fix that hose. I don't know, man. I want to manual swap it, but just can't find a good price for one. But yeah, I gotta fix this condenser because I'm gonna need my AC. And if I don't, I'll probably just delete it for now. Keep all my lines and shit. But I'm gonna actually put these nuts back on. Just keep them on there for now. Should be getting better airflow and everything. Way better airflow to the radiator because all that shit was blocking it, especially with that not even working. So yeah, now everything just put back together and I'm done. So that's the end of this video. I'll actually couldn't find any video on that the return hose down there. I believe that's the return hose. So I'm gonna make a video on that. Looks like it goes right under the intake and like plugs in right down there somewhere. Doesn't look too hard, straightforward. So yeah, when that gets in, make the video and upload it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Let me know what I could do better in my videos. If you notice the quality is a little different, it's because I'm on my phone currently. I don't have either of my cameras on me, so that's why I'm recording on my phone. But yeah, so that's how you take off your AC fan and replace it if you want to replace it. Super easy. So here's everything put together. Don't be like me. I put the bumper on before I put the grill piece back on because I kind of forgot to. And it was a bitch putting it on while the thing's on, while the bumper's on. But looks great. Gonna be a lot of airflow. I'm about to go to the car wash and clean out that condenser, all that junk and shit with the little pressure washers. I'm gonna be careful because I know it can like pierce through it and shit. But yeah, so I don't know. Can't wait to hurry up and do this manual swap. But that will conclude this video.